So what's going on, people? Stark YT here again, another video. Let me let me tour you to our country, Philippines. Okay, my friend, my Chinese friends from China. So as you experience in your country, we have flash flood and some of our look, it's it's flooded. I will go to maybe 1 feet of water here. I was fast because I was uh, I was putting gas and heating brake at the same time, so my air filter will not be flooded. Look at that. This Typhoon Karina is not good. Okay, so I will let's see later. I will go on our bridge, Santa Maria Bridge, and let us both see what's going on there. Okay. Alright guys, right here, let me tell you and let us see what did I see earlier. Okay, this is today, okay? I will upload this today. This our update on Typhoon Karina. This our bridge, Santa Maria Bridge, okay? As you can see, I will remove my phone right there. As you see, it used to be like a jeepney stop or bus stop, like all the passengers wait there, but it was flooded, as you can see. So that is my update, basically in my life. Okay, this Typhoon Karina is not good. After a decade, I got serious. I got sick, like for real. As you can see, I don't have voice. I will go to pharmacy here now to buy some medicine for me and for my grandmother. Okay, so that is all for me, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my videos. Soon I will update more.